So good day guys and welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share guys. Make sure you make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel guys so that once we drop 1 or 2 updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now guys, let's take a look at what JPY is actually going to be giving us for the day. Right, so let's start with the trend. Remember guys, before you take a trade, first you need to know what your trend is. Second, you have to trade with the trend. So on this JPY, what can you say the trend is? I mean, in order for you to be create some market to be doing right, first you need to know what your trend is, and in order for you to know what your trend is, you need to zoom it out. If you can go to your daily time frame and zoom it out, you will see something. Market is literally rallying up to the upside. It is giving us some kind of like a choppy movement, and it is climbing up. Each movement are literally pushing and climbing up. So now pay attention to this movement right here. I have what? Alighted my trend line. So you can see that market did give us this touch. Market did give us this touch. Then here comes the touch again. Market then was able to give us the touch again. Now if you have to zoom it in right here, you see that market came close to this trend line. Then right, then it came back again, came close to it before it eventually pushed up. Which, if you plot it properly, it's still very much tapping. So you can still see market to give us this touch on our trend line. And now market has now dropped, and it has now given us a multiple touch at this trend line. So this is to tell you that markets will eventually push up. That is it. Markets will eventually push up and take out this high, thereby forming a new higher high. So a bullish move is what you should be expecting. With such a movement, you will be making about 100 pips. So if you want to go make 100 pips, right, you want to grab 100 pips on your JPY, just going for the buy and hold your buy position. That is what you should do. Going for the buy and hold your buy position. So that market should eventually give us that bullish move to tap this high and give us a new higher high, thereby forming a new higher high. Above all, the bullish move is what we should be expecting at JPY. If there will be any changes to this prediction that we just did, I will make sure I give you a bit and let you guys know. So make sure you subscribe, like and share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram to stay updated. You will find a link to the Telegram in the comment section.